In this video, we are going to talk about the design tab of MS Word. So for that, we have to select the design tab from the menu bar. So when I click this design tab, you are getting groups like document formatting and you are getting a page background. So in the document formatting, you are having a theme is there, some designs are there, colors, fonts, some settings are there. So let's talk about what is a theme. So theme means how it looks like. So this is the theme of the document, that means the appearance. So these are some office theme. So when it is a green, you can see that the theme, that means the color of this document is matches to this theme, and it is a blue one. And likewise, this is the color combination they are showing here. This is the purple color and blue, like this the color combination. All these things are get reflected in a document. So I'm just selecting this theme. Okay, next one is about the document formatting. Another one is the titles, how the title would appear. So this is the way how we can appear the title. Okay, so this is the way. So these are the different types of titles. Next one is talking about the color. So I told you there is some office colors are there in the theme. When we select this, we are having some theme combinations are there. So you can change the theme combination like this. You can select any theme combination. So for more theme color combination, you can select this one. You can see, you can observe what are the changes are going ahead. These combinations will get reflected here. Okay. So next one is we are talking about the font. The font, you know about what is the font actually. So here the font means they are not the changing the font of the text, they are changing the font of the title only. So you can see the title's font. This is the title here. So you can see how the font get changed. The title of the fonts get changed. Okay. For the text, to change the font size of the text, you are getting more options in the home page only, home tab only. So that we have already discussed in the previous videos. Now we are going to talk about what is a paragraph spacing. So what is a paragraph spacing? So of course we need to talk about the paragraphs. So here they are talking about this paragraph. You can see that if I select this paragraph spacing means there is no space between the paragraph. That means the lines. You can observe this one. This one you can observe. Say this is the spacing. So you can see in between. Here you can observe that the spacing changes, increases the space. Double line between each and every sentence. Okay, every line, not the sentence. Double lines between each and every line. So this is the paragraph spacing that we will discuss more in the layout tab in the another video. Next one is about the watermark. You have already observed that in your textbook they are having your textbook school's watermark is there. So that is the watermark. Here I can set the watermark like this. If I want this shape, if I want in a straight line like this I want to do. So here I can set the watermark here. Okay. Custom watermark means I can write watermark, what I want to write inside the watermark, that I can write here. So here the text is here. Copy, do not copy likewise is there. Picture watermark also add. You can add the picture of your photo also. So that is also a picture watermark. Text watermark is there. You can write the text here. Here I can write my name itself. If I may write apply, and if I set apply. Okay. So here you can see that a watermark applied on this document. Copied here, you can see this one. See here, if you observe this one, you can see this one. Are you able to see this? Yes, see here. You can see the watermark is added here. If I am going to a blank document, you can see that here a watermark get added here. See. Watermark is added. See, this watermark is added in the entire document. In entire page, you can see the watermark. Okay. If I add more pages here, so here also you can see the watermark. See, new page also you will get the watermark. And next is about the page color. Okay, we are talking about the page color. So you know that the page color means giving the color to the page. So here I can give the color to the page like this. See, you can see the page color. So it's very beautiful. Yes, you can give the page color. See, while giving the page color, you can easily see the watermark. See, you can see the watermark very clearly. And also, I can change the color of the watermark also. You can see that here, I can change the color. Custom here, I am having the color option is also there. Text I have to select here. I am writing again, and I can change the color also. If I want to change the color it's red also, I can do that one and apply. Click on apply and close it. You see, you can see the color changed. See this one. So this is the watermark. Normally we will put the watermark in a light color only. And also the another important thing and very interesting one is the page border. Okay, for that you will getting a lots of page border option is there. So everything comes under the design only. So borders are there. Here it is the preview of the border. When I click on here, you can see that the top area I will get a border. So here when I click bottom, and here it is a side one, and here also side one. There also you can have a lots of color of the border also you can see. Okay, and the thickness, width of the border also you can set. Custom is also there, 3D is also there. 3D page borders are there. Here you will get an artwork is there. See, lots of art one is there. Art type, if suppose I am going to select this, lots of options is there. I am going to select the ice cream and I say okay. You can see that the border, okay, see how beautiful the border is. Okay, so this is the way how you can add the border to your pages. So this is all about the design tab. Now let us write this in your notebook. Questions and answers. Question number 1. What is page color? Answer: add a splash of color to your document by changing the color of the page. Question number 2. What is page border? Answer: add or change the border around the document. Thank you, children.